Hello friend, I am Nagmani Kumar and today I am discussing about Microlock 2 electronics interlocking system. So friend, welcome in my YouTube channel Railway Online City and you see on the screen this is the Microlock 2 and firstly I explain what is the electronics interlocking means EI. EI is the use in railway and metro technology for signaling purpose. So firstly, I explain what is the electronics interlocking. So firstly, electronics interlocking is a microprocessor based interlocking equipment to read the yard and panel input, process them in a fail-safe manner as per selection table and generate required output. This system is the alternative to the conventional relay interlocking system PI and RRI on the railway. The electronics interlocking shall be complying with RDSO and another specifications. And second one is the advantage over conventional relay interlocking. Means what is the advantage of electronics interlocking, EI interlocking over conventional relay interlocking? So firstly, in EI system, no relay are required for interlocking function. Only interface relay are required. First, and second one is space requirement is reduced substantially. Reduction in power consumption, reduction in wiring, interconnections, and number of views. More reliability and safety due to less relay and accessories. Suitable for AC electrified area. No air conditioning is required. Self-diagnostic features. Any failure in the system is located and indicated. Faulty models can be immediately replaced by spare model. Hence the down of time. Installations is required. Less prone to shortcut method. Total system goes to shutdown even if wrong fit come across. The conventional block and intermediate block system circuit can be incorporated in the EI system circuit. Alternations due to yard remodeling does not require any wiring change. Only data the CPU card is required to be changed. Hence, yard remodeling does not require large scale alternations and can be carried out in negligible time and less manpower. This is the advantage of EI over relay clock. Second, next one is the term used in EI system. Means which type of term used in EI? Firstly, CPU. You know, CPU is the central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, and EPROM, EPROM, irreducible programmable read only, EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read only memory, IC integrated circuit, and hardware redundancy, software redundancy, warm standby, off mode, hot stand. This term using EI system. And next one is the system composition. So means in EI there are many types of system composition. First one is the hardware. In hardware part, firstly CPU chassis, relay, read relay interface card, processor card, relay output card, control communications panel means operators ka panel, panel processor, maintenance terminal, object controller. And second one is the software part. In software part, first is the executive software, a system software, and another is the application software. Next, executive software and application software means what is the difference between both? In executive software, common to all EI for the same manufacturing, factory installed, form all operations of specific station, it is not possible to modify executive software. And in software, application software, yeah, the specifications different for different station can be installed at the site by signal engineers, perform operation as part table of control. Application engineer have to facility to modify application software as and when required. And next one is the micro lock, means micro lock interlocking system. Means interlocking system have many types, uh, it depends on company wise. Means when you use in Ansaldo, this is the micro lock 2, for Storm, the smart lock, Siemens, Westrop, and mm, Mega Rail, and another means EI system is depend on company wise. Means, and so in this video I explain Microlock 2. So what is the Microlock? Microlock 2 is a microprocessor based electronics interlocking system developed by MSUS Limited. Is a single processor system with divergent dual software with extensive safety check. In Microlock, they have their structure. First one is the card file. Card file, the Microlock 2 system card file is mounted in 19-inch rack equipment. Means when you go to equipment room, relay room, then 19-inch rack install, and in the 19-inch rack card file install. And in card file, to 24-volt DC fan mounted on the top of the card. It need to dissipate the heat generations inside the rack. If two card files are installed on the fan rack, on a rack, fan tray is fixed on top of the top card file, and for the bottom card file, the fan tray is fixed below the card file. The fan are powered in such manner that the air flow out of the card file. Card guide in the card file slot facility, e.g. insertions of CPU, power supply, and input-output input. Next one is 48 and 96 pin connector assembly are fixed at the back end of the card file. The unused slot in the card file are fitted with blank facial panel on the front side. The standard card file part number is N16903101, and this is the sample of card file. This is the VCR, vital cut-off relay, a fan tray, and this is the space for card file. Means this is a sample of 19-inch rack, and this is the card file. Card file, and slot number 1 to 15 and 20 recommended non-vital input output for vital input for vital output port. Slot number 20 is used for recommended coded system interface card, a CSI card for CTC. Slot number 16 and 17 recommended power supply board. Slot 18 and 19 recommended CPU board. The split card file means the split backplane allowed two independent CPU and associate circuit board to be housed in a single card file. Certain Microlock 2 applications require the redundant system be provided. In order to implement this required, a split backplane is needed. This split backplane has been made from a 19-slot motherboard. An additional power connector is placed on the slit side in the place formerly occupied by slot 2. This reduced the slot count to 18. The copper is separated at the center between slot 10 and slot 11 with all traces power and ground planes. The split card file part number N16905301 is the split motherboard. The rear panel is modified to have an additional cutout to allow connections to be made to the new power. This is the example of a split card file. Two VCR and split card file. One. CPU board. The CPU board is controlled by Motorola 68332 microprocessor and store the executive and application software It contained the central controlling logic and diagnostic monitoring for the Microlock 2 system and provided 5 serial data ports to communicate with one peripheral device. Port number 1 and 2 is RS485 type for communication with other Microlock. Port number 3 RS423 oblique 232 type for communications with non-vital control systems such as operators, PC, BDU, panel, CTC. Port number 4 RS232 type for communication with non-vital control systems such as VDU, panel, CTC, indications panel. And port number 5, this is the dubbing port, debug. This is RS232 type for communication with maintenance PC for dubbing. This is a example. Power supply board. The power supply board performs the following functions: convert the external supply voltage 9.8 volt to 16.2 volt DC to regulated plus 12 volt and plus 5 volt needed for the operations of the card file circuitry. Provide an isolated surge voltage for external contact sensing. Supply energizations voltage to the VCU relay coil under the control of CPU along a CPU detect number internal external system fault. It send a 250 Hz check DC signal to PS PCB which in turn hold the VCU relay in the peak of conditions. Failure of diagnostic check result in removal of check signal, thereby de-energize of PCR. This result in removal of power to all vital system output. Power input to the system voltage range 9.5 to 16.5 volt DC. Minimum voltage 12 volt DC. Minimum system startup voltage 11.5 volt. Non-vital input-output board. The non-vital input-output board is designed to receive non-vital input control and generate non-vital output indications. Each PCB provided 32 input and 32 output throughout its rear 96 pin connector available in 12 volt and 24 volt DC application. Non-vital input panel push button and key. Non-vital output panel indications LED, counter and buzzer. LED are available on the front panel to show the status of non-vital input output. Vital output board. Each vital output PCB is having 16 independent 24 volt output. Each output is assigned to the final relay which is driving the outdoor signaling gear such as HR, DR in case of signal and WNR, WRR in case of point. Since the output board are driving output gears, they are continuously monitored by the CPU and any abnormal voltage present in the output will lead to system reset shutdown to ensure safety. Vital input board. Each vital output PCB is having 16 input. Each vital input is assigned to the detections of outdoor gear status such as ECRs in case of signal, WKR in the case of point, and TPR in case of track. Since the input are dealing with the detections of outdoor gears, they normally configure with double cutting arrangement. Vital cutoff relay means what is the vital cutoff relay? Each card file will have one vital cutoff relay VCR to ensure the healthiness of the system. VCR has 6 front, 6 back independent contact, each related for 3 ampere. The VCR contact are used to control the power to all card file vital output. The VCR is controlled by the CPU. When the system is healthy, the coil shift voltage from PSPCB on the power supply board. On failure of safety critical diagnosis, the DC supply to the VCR is removed, thereby opening the contact at white battery power to the vital output board. Plugging of PCB. Each PCB is having 96 pin connector on the lower half of the rear portion. There are corresponding 96 pin female connection 1 to 12. 1 to 20 in the card file. Motherboard for plugging the different card, vital input, vital output, non-vital input, output, CPU and PS PCB. All the PCB can communicate with one another throughout motherboard. King plug. King plug. Each PCB requires 6 numbers of king plug. A plug adjustment to the 96 pin connector according to the type of motherboard, type of board and corresponding female connector on the motherboard slot. The purpose of the king plug to avoid insertions of wrong type of board in the card files, and it is similar to the code pin of rear relay. Address select PCB. In order to allow communications between the CPU board and the other board in the card file, each board must have its bus address configured in the hardware. EEPROM PCR. EEPROM PCB, which is provided on rear side of the CPU connector to configure various serial communications port. King plug are provided in the guide file to ensure coding to each type of card. Microlog 2 software. Microlog 2 software component mainly consists of the executive software and the application software. Executive software is actually the Microlog operating system software, while the application software is a specific user written software. And second one, executive software. The US and S development executive software operating system is a standard for all Microlog 2 systems. It is responsible for overall vital monitoring and control of the system. Software application. The vital applications program software is developed using US and S developed maintenance tools program, which is also used to input executive software version upgraded. In addition to the site specific configurations, data is stored in the card file mounted EEPROM and can be loaded using the CPU board from front panel, toggle switches and LED display. This data can also be loaded using the maintenance tools program on a laptop PC which is connected to the CPU board from panel setting. So friends, thanks for watching, and thank you everyone. Uh, Please subscribe. Okay.